Hi, I'm Mika Nichols, Director of Clinical Education here at Össur. Today we're going to walk through how to heat and mold the UCAST LongThumb. So let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is remove everything from the package. Take a minute to read through the instructions and warnings, then set your UCAST material and textile aside and we'll get started. Before you apply any heat, let's get the orientation right. You're going to place the textile over the radial and anterior side of the wrist with the thumb extension lying over the dorsum side of the thumb. Make sure the textile and straps are sitting clean and in the correct position. Getting this right up front is what sets you up for a good fit. Once you're happy with that, lay the textile flat and do one final check before you start heating. Now go ahead and heat the UCAST material. Place it into the heater and press the 2mm button. When the amber light turns off, you're ready to mold. You got plenty of working time, so don't rush it. Take the heated material and place it onto the textile, keeping that same orientation set up. Position the support over the hand and the thumb. The thumb extension should end just before the nail bed. Go ahead and lightly fasten the straps, just enough to hold everything in place. We're not going to full tension yet. Now it's time to start molding. Work the support directly to the patient's anatomy, making sure the thumb is resting in a neutral, functional position while the material sets. Hold it there until it starts to firm up. Once it's fully hardened, tighten the straps to about 50% tension. You'll want it secure but comfortable for the patient. Pull from the bottom of the strap rather than the very end, and you'll get a lot better control. And that's it. The UCAST LongThumb is molded, fitted, and ready to go. And if the fit isn't quite there, just reheat, remold, and refit. This material gives you the flexibility to get it right.